money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait.
Where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
What's up, guys? It's the next day. I went to the club last night, man. Got some eats. Good vibes, man. Good vibes at the club. Came back super tired. Really though, after the excursion, after the hiking trip, I took a fat nap, boy. That drained me. The sun drained me. All that water movement, all that cardio drained me. But today is checking out day, man. Basically today we're gonna be getting some souvenirs and stuff, man. Get some memorabilia, bring back to the crib. Yeah, basically everything is move out ready. I just gotta grab my suitcase, put everything in my book bag and stuff like that. It ain't gonna be no hard process to move back out. But you feel me? It's the last day. I think checkout is like, we can check out whenever we want, for real. Just make sure the place clean. And we gotta return the rental 2 hours beforehand. So we're gonna be sitting in the airport about 12 something. Okay, checkout is at 11. Checkout is at 11. Gather towels, throw away trash, turn AC off, TV off. You feel me? That's all we need to do. But, you know, last day tight. I enjoyed Puerto Rico, man. Definitely enjoyed it. One for the books for sure. Like, opened up my eyes for a lot of things. Like, you feel me? We gon' in this life, man. We gonna grind and we just gonna keep working, bro. Keep pushing to get. You feel me? To experience things like this, man. Everybody can experience this. You know, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. Turn the alarm off. We just gotta keep pushing, man. Keep going. Cause it's like, shoot, we got here. You feel me? 4-day trip. You know, big boy energy. You know, solo. I done met a couple friends out here. My Airbnb neighbors. They from the States. A group from Jersey, and they got a group from I think 2 groups from Jersey. No, one from Philly, one from Jersey. They cool. Chopped it up with them. When they pulled up last night, in the couple days that I was here, you know, met some cool people at the hike. You feel me? They cool. They cool for sure. I had pregame with them last night. You feel me? Not pregame, but you feel me? We all met up at the bar type. Yeah, good vibes, man. Good vibes. It's crazy. I don't even want to leave though, cause I've been here for 4.5 days, but I ain't feel like I gotta do a lot. I mean, to do enough. I definitely did a lot, but it's just so much to explore. I'm an explorer, man. There's so much to do here. Like, you can't get bored here for real. So it's like, next time, definitely stand for a longer period of time with a bigger group. Bring the guys, you know what I'm saying? Show them how fun Puerto Rico is and this, that, and the third. But yeah, man, let's get everything situated, moved out. And we'll hit y'all then. Alright, guys, got everything situated. It is raining. Well, it was raining for a little second. It had came down hard for a little bit. But yeah, man, see the water.
Call
let's say goodbye to the great Airbnb, man. I appreciate this Airbnb. Something I would choose again for sure. A good spot near the what's it called? The airport. Good near San Juan, 15 minutes from old San Juan area. You feel me? Very appreciative of this area and the Airbnb host. Shout out to them. But it's time for us to go, man. We had a good time, well spent over here, you know. But it's time to go. Door locked. Finna head out. It's hot now. Yeah, I just gotta do a little bit of cleaning in the vehicle. Got a little sand here and there. It's hot though for sure. Check out at 11. It's 10:42. Text the Airbnb host. Thank you, ma'am. I enjoyed it. We'll come back. Alright guys, we made it to Old San Juan. Got about an hour to work with. You feel me? Let's get some souvenirs, bring back to the homeland, you know, some memorabilia. But nah, the scenery just all tough. Good vibes in Old San Juan, man. Good vibes, good water. You know. Good women too. Crazy, you can find any player build, any skin tone, any flavor, you know. Come to San Juan. Well, now we just finna find some little vendor tables and stuff like that. See what they talking about. Right across from me. But I got like I'ma show y'all. Let's have some fun. Alright. Got some souvenirs, man. Time to head back. Gotta find a little gas station with a little cleaning section so I can clean the whip out right quick. It's not bad. I mean, I can really just do it with my hands. But yeah, got some goodies. Feel me? Yeah. Now it's time to head back to the whip. We'll probably see y'all at the rental place, I think. Yeah, see y'all at the rental place. Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna show you the hat. We're officially Puerto Rico, you feel me? You know, got a couple garments, you feel me? Now we at the gas station, we gotta clean the whip and put gas in it, gotta fill the tank all the way back up. You feel me? We're gonna get that into motion. Stay. They just don't stay. But yeah, getting that in the tank at the gas station. I'm finna clean it out though. right, guys. Got the gas. Got the. We found the spot. I just couldn't find the rental place, so I know where it's at right now. But finna go see a little friend that I made over the trip, man. Finna tell her bye. You feel me? Just good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Nah, finna see her right quick. You feel me? Before our departure. You feel me? She stay in Jersey, so it's like, what's the odds of that? You know what I'm saying? But now we finna see her right quick before we head back to the States, man. Let's get into it. All right, we pulling up back to the spot. Pulling up to the spot, man. Pull up right here. See, they already cleaning my junk. Crazy. But yeah, let me text her right quick.
Where no one can find you. Mashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katie text.